by using Wallaroo's built-in hot swapping functionality, replacing the control with the challenger model is just 2 lines of code. With it, we're able to get our champion model into production without having to take down our pipeline. We're also able to swap the models with little to no interruption. The awesome part is that this also holds true at the edge. We're able to swap out our model with no interruption to your running edge processes and no changes to surrounding code. Uploading the appropriate model and replacing our publish, we receive our new Docker commands, which we can take to our edge. And so now, having swapped in our champion model at the edge, we're able to see how it affects our drift. If we go back to our assays, we'll see how after hot swapping our models, that indeed our drift reduces and then stabilizes. And so by combining Wallaroo's advanced deployments and hot swapping with assays, we're able to get that cohesive experience with ML in production. Wallaroo's features work together to ensure that the right model gets into production without creating friction for the business.